Hello, my name is Nakia, and I'm a divine elements of design in the decorator's voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. If those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. So this is week 17 of the weekly declutter challenge. For this week, we are going to declutter our games, our board games. Yes, you may be like many people and have a ton of board games, and it can get overwhelming. Trust me, I know. For some reason, people love to give board games as gifts, but basically, once you open it, it's like opening up a map. Sometimes you can't get all the pieces back together in the right location. So, what we're going to do is first thing first, get all of your games, whether it's a board game, card game, dice, dominoes, whatever you have. Gather all of those documents and put them in one centralized location. The next thing we're going to do is actually decide which things we want to keep. Things you want to keep may be some of your favorite games, the games that you play often and you have all the pieces to. We're going to put that in the keep section. Now, the next section is going to be for donate and sell. Now, these are games that you may have mastered or you're no longer interested in. This game can still be in pretty good location. If you have all the pieces that are almost pristine, hey, maybe you can sell them. Or if not, feel free to donate them. You can donate them to churches, school groups, libraries, the Salvation Army. People love to accept donations of those type of things if everything is there. Now, the next section or the next category that you want to put your things in will be the toss or recycle section. So, like I mentioned about that map that no one can seem to fold back the right way, sometimes when it comes to games, you may miss pieces, you may miss dice, you may miss the cards. And when that happens, it's basically game over. So, for those things, we will properly dispose of them. And now, the very last step is once you've decluttered your games, now you should find a good place to put them. I recommend a clear plastic tub where you can put your things in, and then also utilize Ziploc bags to keep like items together. A lot of times, the board box may break or is unusable, but if you can just put it in like a gallon Ziploc bag, you can put all the things in there, and then bam, you're good to go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this weekly Declutter challenge for this week. If you don't have any games, you are not exempt this week. You can use this time to declare something that you feel is kind of a game. Maybe you collect sports memorabilia or just anything, but this is not a free week. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this challenge. If you want to join this challenge, all you have to do is make a conscious effort to want to declutter your life and your home. And also join the Facebook group and or follow me on Instagram and make sure you subscribe to this channel so you get your weekly reminder. So thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.